Looking for the best Bosch router but not sure which one to pick? Today, we're ranking the top Bosch routers from weakest to best, so stick around to find the perfect one for your next project. Let's kick things off with the PR20 EVS, which lands in the 5th spot on our list. This little guy is Bosch's compact palm router, perfect for small jobs and detail work. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and packs just enough punch for trimming, edging, and light routing tasks. The standout feature here is its size. It's small but surprisingly powerful for a 1 horsepower tool, spinning at up to 35,000 RPM. The variable speed dial is great for adjusting to different materials, and the soft start helps keep things smooth and controlled. Plus, it has a convenient quick clamp system for easy bit changes. But let's be honest, this router isn't for everyone. It's a fixed base router, and if you want a plunge base, you'll have to buy that separately. There's no dust collection system, so you'll have to deal with a bit of cleanup. And during longer sessions, it can get hot to touch, which isn't ideal if you're planning on heavy use. So who's the PR20 EVS for? It's perfect for hobbyists or woodworkers who need a compact, affordable router for light jobs. And if you're interested in this one, or any of the routers in this video, check out the links in the description below for the best prices. Next up in the 4th spot, we've got the Bosch 1617 EVS. This is one of Bosch's most popular routers, and for good reason. It's powerful, durable, and packed with features that pros love. If you're looking for a reliable fixed-base router, this is a solid choice. With a 2.25 horsepower motor and variable speed control, this router can handle bigger bits and tougher materials without bogging down. The soft start keeps it from jerking in your hands, and the constant speed circuitry means it stays steady, even under load. Plus, the aluminum housing and hardwood handle gives it a classic, durable feel. However, it's not without its flaws. It's pretty heavy for handheld use, especially if you're doing edge work for long periods. And because this version is just a fixed base model, you won't get the plunge base unless you buy it separately. Also, Bosch doesn't include a case in this kit, which feels like a missed opportunity at this price point. That said, if you're mainly working with a router table or you just need a high-quality fixed-base router, the 1617 EVS is a great pick. Oh, and while you're here, if you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more tool reviews coming your way. In the 3rd spot, we've got Bosch's GKF18V25N, the cordless palm router that's changing the game. If you've ever wished for the freedom to move around the workshop or job site without dragging a cord behind you, this is the tool for you. What makes this router special is its brushless motor, which gives you about 1.4 horsepower, more than enough for most trim and detail tasks. The variable speed control lets you dial in the perfect setting, and the fine and coarse depth adjustments help you get super precise cuts. Plus, it has excellent dust management with dual vacuum ports and a chipped shield. On the downside, this router is sold as a bare tool, so you'll need to buy the battery and charger separately, and compared to the Bosch's corded palm routers, it's definitely more expensive. Some users have also reported minor packaging issues, though the tool itself holds up well. So who should pick this one? If you're already using Bosch's 18-volt battery platform, this router makes a lot of sense. It's perfect for pros and serious hobbyists who need a lightweight, portable solution without compromising on power. Coming in at number 2 is the MRC23 EVS-K, Bosch's heavy-duty combination router kit. If you need both a plunge and a fixed base in one package, this might be your dream tool. This router is packed with pro-level features. It has a 2.3 horsepower motor that won't slow down, even when you push it hard. The trigger is conveniently located in the handle, making it super comfortable to use. There's even LED lighting built into the motor, so you can actually see what you're doing, which is a nice touch when you're working in dim corners. But let's talk about the downsides. This combo kit is heavy, over 12 pounds with the base, which can get tiring if you're using it handheld. The dust collection is pretty basic too, so if you're planning to mount it under a table, it's not the most convenient setup. Plus, the LEDs are always on when the router is plugged in, which some folks find annoying. If you need a router kit that does it all though, this is still a top contender. It's perfect for woodworkers who want flexibility, power, and pro-level controls in one system. Finally, in the number 1 spot, we've got the Bosch 1617 EVS PK Combo Kit. This is the router that gives you the best of both worlds, a fixed base for precision work and a plunge base for versatility. It's the total package. With the same powerful 2.25 horsepower motor as the 1617 EVS, you're getting pro-level performance here. The microfine depth adjustment lets you make tiny tweaks with pinpoint accuracy. Switching between bases is quick and easy thanks to the fast clamp system. Plus, it comes with a rugged carrying case, chip shields, wrenches, and everything else you need to get started right out of the box. As with all combo kits, it's a little heavier than a single base router, but not by much. The dust collection system isn't built in, so you'll need to buy an attachment if you want to keep your workspace clean. And yes, it's priced higher than basic routers, but for what you get, it's a great value. If you want one router kit that can handle just about any woodworking task, this is the one to beat. Whether you're a pro or a serious DIYer, the 1617 EVS PK will keep up with whatever you throw at it. That wraps up our roundup of the best Bosch routers. If you want to check out any of these products, you'll find the best deals in the links down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tool reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.